Hey guys, it's Sunday. You know what that means? Flea Market Rundown Day. First off, I would like to thank everyone for helping us reach 545-ish subscribers at the time of filming this. Pretty cool. We've been doing this for about 2 months now, trying to stay consistent, and I'm going to keep going and be consistent, try to release at least a video and a short a week. Again, thank you guys so much. Let's get into the rundown. So we'll get right into it. Best thing about going to the flea market, you never know what you're gonna buy. I needed one of these for the demo stuff that I do. I paid 70 bucks for it. They retail about 120 to 150. So good deal, brand new in the package, never been used. Good to go, cool, perfect, easy. First buy of the day. I got this cool cat, wooden cat here. No markings or anything, definitely older, solid wood, no cracks or real big breaks in it anywhere. It looks like it's oak or like a maple or something. Not really sure. The ears are good, just a good looking cat. I paid 30 for it. I should be able to get, I would think, I'm gonna ask 80, probably get somewhere between 60 and 75 realistically. Cool piece, easy. And then we got this big velvet Elvis. You know, what house is complete without a velvet Elvis? Nice big, no rips, bright colors, not that dusty. It's always a plus when they're not super dusty. I paid 10. I should realistically get about 40 to $60 out of it. Next up we have this older tapestry. Pretty cool piece. It was just in great shape, and the you know, the colors just really got me on this piece. Oriental ladies sitting around fanning themselves. Not really sure, haven't done too much research. I paid 20 bucks for it. I'm gonna hope to get around 100 out of it, so probably between like 80 and 100 bucks realistically. Not really sure. It looks like it's machined. It's in good shape though, and I'm excited to learn a little bit more about it. Maybe it's a really good one, who knows. Next up, just a couple of quick glassware sets. Easy enough, one of each is unwrapped. So there's 4 of these awesome gold Culver made in USA glasses. There's 4 of them. I paid 5 bucks for the 4 of them. I should be able to get 20 to 25 bucks for the set. And same things with these. I should be able to get, I paid 5 bucks for 6 of these glasses. I should again be able to get 20 to 25 bucks for the 6 of them. Easy money. These sell all day at Brimfield. Fun little Sally Huss print. Ready to go, hang in someone's bathroom. Dream big, plan well, work hard, smile always, and good things will happen. Just a cool little piece of art. People do love this stuff. I paid $1 whole for it. I should be able to get 20 to 25 out of it. It's just framed and ready to go and good looking. We're gonna move right into what I would consider probably the buy of the day. I bought these 4 copper planters, cauldrons, whatever you want to call them. They are very old. You can just tell by how they are made. I paid $20 for the 4 of them. I honestly think, I know these got holes in them because they're using them as planters. I honestly think I should be able to get 40 bucks a piece for the small ones that are in better shape. This one's a little rougher, but again, they're very old. I should still be able to get 25-30 bucks for this one. This one that's in really good shape with these short nubby legs, again, I should 40-50 bucks minimal. And then this big boy I should be able to get, I know it's coming apart a little bit here on the bottom, I'd say 40-50 bucks easy. These are just super cool, super old. You don't really see them that often. Someone did, you can tell somebody put little nuts on these feet to hold them in place. Still cool, still fun. Now in here we have kind of like a hodgepodge of random stuff. We'll start with this lucite table. Picked up this little lucite plant stand table. I paid 10 bucks for it. It should be an easy 30 bucks. Just got a good look to it. Somebody will want it to do something with in their modern home. And then onto what we got here. We'll do this little chalkware bulldog first. Just a cool looking little bulldog. Definitely chalkware. Decent shape. Paint's chipping off, but it just gives it a good look. I paid 5 bucks for it. I should be able to get 25 for it. Next up, we got this cool little Marquardt Concrete Block Company little advertising piece. May you live all the days of your life, from the gay philosopher. Just a cool piece on a piece of marble, chalkware. I paid 20 bucks for it, but I should be able to get 60 out of it. I think somewhere between 50 and 60 bucks. It's just advertising, and it's very old. Cool piece. Got some shirts, not really up my alley. Crosby, Stills and Nash. Should be able to get 10-15 bucks out of it. Paid a couple bucks. What else we got here? We got this little Lion creamer. I love this thing. Paid 5 for it. Should be able to get 25 out of it. Made in the USA. Just like a pot metal with the paint over it. The face on it is just so cool. I'm thinking 25-30 bucks. Bruno Mars tour shirt, 2018. Again, another 10 bucks probably. Nothing crazy. What else we got over here? We have I don't even know what that is. Paul something, Driving USA Tour 2002. I'll have to look it up. Again, 10-15 bucks. Paid a couple bucks a piece for these guys. Eric Clapton official tour shirt. 01. It has some standing on it, but it has this cool Eric Clapton World Tour tag on it. Kind of fun. Has all the dates on the back, which is also kind of fun. And yeah, I'll have to do a little research. Probably $20 bill. This is just a junk reprint Leonard Skinner shirt. Yeah, nothing crazy there. Continuing in this little box down here, we have a little change counter, belt style. You clip on your belt, and then you have change in there. Pop the quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies out. Made by the JL Golf, New York. Sole distributor, McGill High Speed Changer. Gotta do a little bit of research, but I'm thinking I will get probably 30-40 bucks out of this. Just a unique piece, and everything works on it, and it's still in pretty good shape. I'll clean it up a little bit, try to get some of this corrosion off. We got these two new in the box Venus pen stands, desk stand for Venus ball pens. Great shape, black Bakelite or plastic, just cool, kind of like new old stock. I'll probably get 10 bucks a piece for these. I paid 2 for 5, I think. We got this cool little candy jar for Bouillon. It would be for Bouillon cubes. Phoenix Bouillon cubes, artificially flavored, 3 varieties. Bakelite handle. Again, kind of a cool piece. I paid 25 for it. Should get 50 to 60 bucks out of it. Yo, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe down below. Be greatly appreciated. We're gonna get into the last few pieces here. We got this cool marble top, made in India, just like a modern plant stand little table. Paid $12 for it. Should get 35 to 40, if not a little bit more. It is solid metal and marble, so it's got a lot of weight to it. Very well made, cool piece. Somebody will love it for their house. We got this Ray Bestos PG fan belt and radiator hose wall hanger here. Would have been, obviously would have held, you know, the fan belts or radiator hoses, and it would have had like little labels inside these little slots here. I like that it still had the hooks and somebody could still use it for something in their garage if they wanted to. Not in the best shape, but not in the worst shape. Just a cool piece. I think somebody will love it. I paid 30 for it, should get 75 out of it. And onto the last box. Don't mind the train in the background. $8 heavy oil. Just got a good look to it. Joe the Framer, you know, it says it's dated 2011, but just a good looking little oil on board. Again, I paid $8 for it, should get 25 bucks out of it. Paid $5 for the little chimp. It's pretty cool looking, just like ceramic porcelain. Just a cool looking little figurine. Should get 15 bucks out of it, no problem. I paid $1 whole for this carved wood foot ashtray. Should get 15 bucks out of it. I just thought it was cool, somewhere between 10 and 15. It's pretty light, not like super high quality wood, but a good, somebody did a good job with it. And then the last couple things I have in here, I got a little holy water holder. I paid $3 for it. I should honestly be able to get 25 out of this, just because it's cool. It's cast metal, made in Germany. Just has a good look to it. It's supposed to have like a little glass insert or porcelain insert, but it's still super cool. Somebody use it for something, hanging on their wall. Cool piece. And then onto this box, we got two cool things in this box. We have a vintage DuPont skeet target shooter. This will be in hand. I think it's supposed to, I don't know if this is like the original trigger mechanism. It has red paint on it, so it might be. I gotta do a little more research, but it's super cool, and I guarantee this thing still works. These things were built to last. I paid 15 bucks for this box, and it has another skeet tosser in it. I should be able to get 50 for just this one, somewhere around there, 40-50 bucks. And then there's also another little hand tosser. I should be able to get 10 bucks out of this too. So all in all, pretty good deal. I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope. Broken pair of glasses, junk. But yeah, cool. Again, if you haven't yet, guys, and you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, continue the support. We're gonna keep trying to grow this thing. I would love to run you guys around the flea market with me, but I'm not at that point yet. A lot of the guys I deal with just don't seem to, I don't know if they'd be comfortable in front of a camera. So we're just gonna keep doing what I'm doing right now. But again, thank you guys for joining. Please like and subscribe. So not the busiest day at the flea market, as you can tell by the light load. But again, we found some stuff. There was a chance of rain in the forecast, so it scared a lot of people off. A lot of the vendors weren't there. A lot of my regular guys that I shop weren't there. But again, I was very happy with what we got. I spent a little more than I would have liked on some things, but that is what it is, and sometimes that's the way the world works. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys being here. Again, thank you guys for 500. Here's to 1,000 and more. I keep growing, keep doing things, and appreciate you guys tuning in.